Hey guys, to reset your iPhone 15 settings, you need to go to the settings option, and from here you need to swipe down and you will see this option called general. Tap here once, then all the way down you will find this option called transfer or reset iPhone. Tap here and then reset. You will see this reset all settings. Tap here. Now as you can see, this is a security message, so you need to start this, and as you can see it's a timer, so it's basically a security. So after if this timer comes to 0, you will be able to reset your iPhone setting. So yeah, that's how you reset your iPhone's setting. Hope this video helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel.